Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take the 3 Way. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to use query selector to select an element in LWC. So in the previous lesson, we have to create a query selector LWC component. Whenever you click on the submit button, the input field value will be displayed in the HTML table. So in the previous lesson, we have learned if you fill the input field name, city and country and click on the submit button. This input field value will display in the input HTML table. So that time I have used query selector all. In this lesson we will use query selector all. So we will use the for each to get the all of the input value from Lightning input value. So let's jump to my VS Code. So I will use the same HTML file. So last time I created a query selector LWC component. So here I am using the full name, city name and country name. There are three types of input field. And in the JavaScript, I created three track variable. Full name, city name and country name. And this track variable I am applying on the HTML in the value, in the Lightning input field value. So this is the Lightning input field value for the full name. This is the city name and this is the country name. So in the last lesson I use the class name here, but this time I am removing the class name. I apply the value. So all the track variable using the here, and there is a lightning button. In the lightning button there is a submit action function. So I will create this function. If you will click on this button, the value will be populated on the HTML table here. So click a new function, click function. So here this is the submit action. I am passing the parameter event in the submit action. I create a constant variable input value this dot template dot query selector all, and in the query selector all I am passing the lightning input. So I am getting all of the input lightning input. So here I am passing the lightning input. So it will get all of the lightning input. Then I will use the for each. So input while dot for each. This one in the for each I use the function. In the function we pass the element. In the curly bracket here I will pass the this. This means that one by one it will get a template. It is a lightning input field. Then I will use a condition if element dot name equal to each and every lightning input field have a name property. So I will check a condition if full name element name double equal to full name equal to if element of name equal to double equal to full name, then this does full name, this one tag variable equal to element dot value. Element dot value. Element dot value VALUE. Then this dot full name equal to element dot value. Copy this. Not else if element dot name, copy this and here double equal to, this time we'll check it city name, then this dot city name store the value of element dot value. else if element dot name double equal to this time will check country name. This dot country name equal to element dot value. Element dot value. Now I created a JavaScript. So here this type variable using the value and this value I am passing the HTML. Here I get all of the Latin input field using the query selector all. And this variable I am using the for each. In the for each there is an element one by one it will get the value and store to the variable. Now I am deploying this code to Salesforce. The code has been deployed successfully. Now go to the Salesforce and refresh the page. So I am using this Latin input value. This is the same LWC component that is displaying in the here. Now I am putting the value name, city and country. So name Vijay, city Noida, country India, and submit. You can see the value is populating in the custom table HTML. Take W3 web and India, then submit. Value is populating in the HTML table. So in this example, I am using for each and query selector all to get the all of the Lightning input value in LWC. So friends, do from your side in your personal art. If you getting anything of issue to fetch the query selector or Lightning input field value, please write in comment box and don't forget to check and subscribe my channel Tech W3 Bay. Thank you.